because these two aren't fixed in place, and I like to be able to take them out quickly and easily to stop them moving inwards when they're bouncing around, just use these pieces of wood and that works fine. That way they can't move in on themselves. Giant dog bed on the sleeping bag. Two puppers want to go camping. Uno, dos, tres. I'm away. First day, 14 hours. Same thing I did last time, all the way to Davenport, Iowa, right on the Mississippi River. It's 14-hour day, 14 hours of driving. But what I realized is, from where I live, Chicago is pretty much exactly 12-hour drive. And last time, to do the 14-hour drive, I left at like 5 in the morning, which I didn't think about because I didn't check, but that meant I hit Chicago right around rush hour traffic, and it was just awful. It was terrible. So what I've done this time is I'm leaving at 9:30, and that way I'm not as tired because I get to sleep in a bit more. And also I'm gonna probably not end up hitting Chicago until around 9 p.m, which should hopefully mean I can skirt straight past it without hitting rush hour traffic. It really depends where I am on the whole drive by the time I hit rush hour traffic. So we'll see. If I'm not coming past any major city or anything like that, it should be alright. It should be better. It won't be great, but hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll be better than last time. A sign. I went to Burger King. The register was down. They could only take cash, so hard-boiled eggs from 7-Eleven. Still in Ohio. Still got a long way to go. Finally put my jacket on after spending the past hour with the cold air blowing on me. I'm trying to keep myself awake and get toasty warm. cannot sleep in a truck stop without the earplugs, because otherwise you'll not get any sleep at all. Boom. We're on it. Good night. Well, guten Morgen. Gotta get up. It's about 8 AM. Well, I slept hard last night at points. What I realised is anyone with some type of Ford, whenever they open their car, my truck doesn't unlock, but the bed, for some reason, the lights in the bed flash. So I checked, my truck doesn't unlock, it's just the lights flash, which is weird, but that was freaking me out at one point. But anyway, I need to get up. It's cold. See my breath. Cold day in Iowa. See? Do you see the flash? It's weird. There's me saying anyone with a Ford that seems to unlock their truck and my bed light's flashing. 1 F-150, 2 F-150, 3 F-150. Oh god. Right. Oh, well, I do have coffee and stuff in my fridge in there, iced coffee, but it's like I say, it's cold this morning, so I'm gonna go in here and grab some coffee. But I also forgot my little squeezy yogurts that I was gonna eat for breakfast, so I'm gonna go, like I say, in this truck stop and see if I can't get some breakfast or some coffee or something. Cool truck, power wagon. You gotta love it. Iowa 80, the world's largest truck stop apparently, and there's a dentist in there. Dentist? Like, believe it or not, that's a first for me. I've never seen a dentist in a truck stop, but I haven't been to too many, I will admit. On the hard-boiled eggs again. Apparently that's just what I eat now. But they did have hot coffee, which is nice because it is cold. But also, apple fritter. Apple fritter. Anyone who knows about Stewart's gas stations, that's like my deal after camping when it's cold outside. Normally I don't treat myself to stuff like that, but after camping, cold morning, back to the truck, straight to Stewart's, cup of coffee and an apple fritter. That's like my driving home. Happy as a lamb, happy as a clam. Definitely put way too much salt on that. I'm gonna save my other packet. Don't know if I can handle 4 hard-boiled eggs right now. Gas station hard-boiled eggs. Right, next stop, Colorado. Oh, and I forgot, my wife called me this morning to let me know that there's potential tornadoes on my drive today, so we're gonna have to be careful with that, look out for that. Hopefully it's not too bad, but we'll see. Well, the wind has definitely picked up. Definitely picked up. Looks like some ominous weather to my side here. I've been checking the weather. I'm in Aurora, Nebraska right now. I've been checking the weather, and it's saying that it's gonna be very high winds. I would like to see a tornado. I mean, if I saw a tornado like over there, that would be pretty cool. I wouldn't want to be close to it, but hopefully it doesn't get too bad and it doesn't cause too many accidents. That's the main thing. Pretty hairy. I don't know if it's showing it in the camera, but it's not looking good. All just dirt blowing up everywhere. It's all just dirt blowing up everywhere. Mental. Well, I just realised that cold again. I didn't even film anything. I literally just went into Walmart and now I'm in the truck. I'm chilling out. And yeah, we're in Colorado, just outside of Denver, up in the mountains. It's super windy and it is cold out there. It's nice in here, but it is cold outside. So anyway, tomorrow will be a good one. We'll be out in the desert and we'll be camping out there, which will be nice. Better than these parking lots. Good morning, Colorado. C'est bon. You can see how cold it was last night. Maybe. That's frozen solid. It's freezing right now. Snowy peaks. Still snow on everyone's car. Oh, like I said, it is cold. Bitterly cold. It was super windy yesterday. And I mean, that wind just cut right through you. That'll do. Probably iced coffee's not the best thing, but it's coffee that I've got and I don't want to necessarily stop. Get it. Remedy Organic. Powerful smoothie for breakfast in my fridge back there, but honestly right now I'm not that hungry. I gave in. There's a McDonald's right there and I had McDonald's last night and it's just sat in my belly, so until I work up to it and it gets a bit warmer in here, then I'm not gonna have my breakfast and I'm just gonna get moving, get to the Nevada, get in the sunshine. didn't quite make it. I'm at Valley of Fire State Park. First beverage of the trip, well deserved. About an hour outside of Las Vegas. So tomorrow, my brother, my future brother-in-law, a bunch of guys are coming. My brother-in-law's bachelor party this weekend. This is normally where I would set up and do some cooking and stuff, but I haven't done that because I didn't want to leave a bunch of perishable food in my truck for 5 days. So I have to do that before my brother and I head back out here and go do some camping and stuff. But the wind's blowing, but the sun is shining. It feels good. It feels good. Say, gonna enjoy a beer. Gonna enjoy this amazing view. There's a couple RVs and stuff like that down there. I managed to find this spot that's tucked away from everyone else. And yeah, it'll be nice to wake up to in the morning, that's for sure. And be a great sunset. Oh my lord, that's bright. So bright. Oh. Well, as nice as it is waking up in the desert, so it's nice and it was comfortable last night. Actually, it wasn't warm, but it was comfortable. But obviously, there's not really many sneaky spots to use the facilities because it's all open and there's people camping there. There's people camping all around. So I'm probably gonna go and use the facilities somewhere, and then I got the next 5 days with my brother and everyone, and then I'll see you out in the desert again.